In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create stunning PowerPoint presentations with ChatGPT. We'll walk from opening your browser all the way to a polished slide deck, keeping things simple and clear. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Using a modern browser helps everything load smoothly and keeps downloads straightforward. Next, head to the ChatGPT website. If you're not already logged in, sign into your account so you can start a new chat. In the chat box, type a clear request describing exactly what you want. For example, create a PPT of travel experience in Korea, 3 slides. Press enter to send it. ChatGPT will generate structured content for you, typically including a title slide, key experiences, and highlights such as culture, food, and landmarks. The clearer your prompt, the closer the output will be to your vision, so feel free to mention slide count, audience, or tone. Take a moment to review what you receive, check whether it matches your needs, and ask ChatGPT to revise, expand, or improve any slide. You can request stronger openings, punchier bullets, or additional examples until you're happy with the flow. If a downloadable PowerPoint file is provided, look for it in Chrome. The file may appear in a separate tab or in your downloads. Click the 3 dots at the top right of Chrome, choose Downloads, locate the presentation, such as a travel experience deck, and click it to open. The file will open in Microsoft PowerPoint. At the top, you may see a protected view banner. Click Enable Editing so you can fully modify the slides. Now, apply a design theme to instantly elevate the look. Go to the Design tab, hover over themes to preview how they change fonts, colors, and backgrounds. Then pick one that fits your topic. For travel, a vibrant, colorful theme usually works well. Click to apply it across all slides. Enhance your presentation by polishing details. Adjust fonts and colors for readability and consistency. Add high-quality images and bring key points to life with tasteful icons, animations, and transitions. Keep effects subtle so they support your message without distracting from it. Finally, review every slide, make your last tweaks, check alignment, spacing, and consistency across titles and body text, ensure visuals look crisp, and save your file to your preferred folder. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more PowerPoint tips and tutorials.